What's up guys, it's me, Eric B, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some things that I like and dislike about the Yamaha R3. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric B, and today I just wanted to talk about a few things that I like and dislike about the R3. I've only been riding it for about 2 weeks or so now, but yeah, just, you know, commute back and forth to work and just kind of wanted to talk about some of the things that kind of bug me about the bike, and then the things that I really like. So first thing is the styling. So while I'm off the bike, just wanted to kind of show you the styling of the bike. I love this blue and silver color, and the 2015 looks awesome to me compared to the 2019. I just don't really feel the styling on that one. Some people will probably disagree with me, but yeah, these 300cc entry-level sport bikes are starting to look better and better each year, and really different from the days of the Kawasaki Ninja 250. Alright, so I am heading downtown right now to Cycle Gear to meet up with some local riders. We're going to go on a little group ride, so stay tuned for some B-roll of that. So number two thing that I like about this bike is the ergonomics and how comfortable this bike is. So the seating position and how you sit and everything, the handlebars, makes it for a great commuter bike. I travel back and forth to work mainly with this and have some fun on the weekends. It's nothing crazy aggressive like an R6 or something like that, but I really don't have a lot to compare it to just because this is my first bike, but I love how comfortable it is. Number three is the power of this bike. So you're saying, Eric, power? I mean, it's an R3. Yeah, I don't mean in the sense that this thing is super fast or anything, but I say that it has enough power. Has enough power to get you to keep you out of trouble, and also to keep up with traffic and pass, you know, guys in traffic and get you out of a situation if you need to. So that's what I like about that. The next thing that I like is the maneuverability. So the handling of this bike is actually pretty good. It's just shy of 400 pounds. So I can move this thing, you know, back and forth on and off the bike. You know, even when I got to move it around in my garage, it's not too heavy at all. All right, guys, the next thing that I like about this bike is just the cost of owning it. It's a fairly cheap bike to purchase and maintain, and my insurance is literally $30 a month for full coverage, so that's not too bad. Alright, so I'm heading up here right now, about to jump on the highway, meet up with these guys at Cycle Gear, do a little group ride, so I'll get some footage of that, and I will get back to you on the two things that I hate most about this bike, so stay tuned for that.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Come and say something, I wanna hear your voice. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are right on me. Eyes are right on me.
That was fun. So where was I? Yeah, two things that I hate about this bike, or dislike, or whatever you want to call it. So number one thing I hate about this bike is the side mirrors. I don't know if you guys will agree with me on that, but you cannot see out of these mirrors. You have to like keep doing the little chicken wing, moving your arm thing just to see the cars behind you. I know it's something, you know, that can be fixed. They sell the little extenders you can put underneath it to move the mirrors out more. They sell the little circle mirror things you can put right here in the corner so you can see a little better. But man, that just bugs me. I don't know where I just ended up here. Never been down this neck of the woods. So the second thing that I don't like, which really isn't even that big of a deal, but what kind of threw me off buying 300cc bikes in general is just the sound, the exhaust note that they produce. So when you're at low RPM or just idle, they sound like a four-wheeler to me, and I love the sound of a 600. But you know what, when you're at higher RPM, it's actually not that bad. So just a small thing, nothing big. All right guys, so tell me what you think down in the comments below. You know, tell me your experiences that you've had with your R3, or if you own one in the past, and what you like and dislike about it. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.